that is called Github Actions workflow. So can you guys see this extension? Github Actions.
Are you
So
sharing your
just
screen?
I think I was. Sorry. I thought I was
That's your
leaving the
screen.
question. Please, I'm sorry. So this is the so you go to your VS Code, click on your extensions, search for GitHub Actions. You get it?
Okay.
GitHub
Okay.
Actions, and install this extension called GitHub Actions. Note it's from GitHub. Did you understand? It is from
Yes.
GitHub. Yeah. So after installing the extension, you have something like this. Can you see it? Sign into GitHub. Just follow the process. I'm signing into my GitHub. Okay, signed in, and so you can see my pipeline. Do you see it?
Yes.
From here, I can get details about my pipeline. Was it successful or not? All those kind of things. So I want you all to download it. That's the major thing on getting GitHub Actions on your workflow. So you don't really need to go to GitHub and be checking all those things. You understand? From here, you can see your GitHub Actions. Maybe it's successful, maybe it failed, or any other thing around it.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
when you click on that, it brings you down to the workflow and everything. Do you see what I clicked on? Let me go
Yeah.
back again. Just click on this icon, view job, full workflow run, view job, and just if you click on any of these, it just opens the website for you and you see what occurred. Do you understand? So good.
Yeah.
I think I'll be able to explain how to connect your VS Code to GitHub Action. Good. So I think that's that about that one. Okay, let's get to